Maverick Bautista.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat po na kahit umuulan, punong-puno yung court natin. Gusto ko po sabihin sa inyo, isa lang dahilan bakit po kami nandito. To be able to share the Word of God sa mga tao na bawat lugar na pupuntahan namin. And I don't know, sabi ko, Lord, sino dito sa mga to yung kinakailangan makilala kami yung gabi na to. I don't know kung sino, pero you know who you are. Alam mo kung sino, kilala mo kung sino ka, alam mo kung sino ka na lagi ka nagdadasal, lagi ka nagpapray, pero parang hindi sumasagot si Lord sa'yo. And tonight, I will share a short testimony na nangyari sa akin. Alam ko yung iba dito, matagal na nanonood. O pwedeng last year lang. Or pwedeng ngayon lang kami nakilala. Kami po ay mga phenomenal basketball na dumadayo ibang lugar. And ito po yung maliit and short story na gusto ko i-share sa inyo. 2019, nag-umpisa po kami dumayo. And then, to make the long story short, biglang nag-boom. Ang daming nakakilala, ang daming nanood, and nag-start kami dumayo. So, umangat po. Pag-angat, biglang bumagsak 2020 kasi pandemic, lahat po tayo naapektuhan. And yung basketball po yung isang bagay na hindi binalik agad ng pandemic. So, as basketball players, ramdam talaga namin yung hirap dahil yung isang bagay na mahal namin hindi namin magawa. Ang dami na ng drugs, ang dami na pwede gawin, pero yung basketball, nung panahon ngayon, is a crime. Nakapalagdaro ka, hindi talaga pwede. But anyway, bumagsak po kami 2020, pero sabi ko sa sarili ko, gawa natin ang paraan. Sabi ko sa mga kasama ko, gawa natin ang paraan. Kaya natin yan. Lugugin natin yung pagod natin, makipag-meeting tayo, makipag-collect tayo. And then, to make the long story short, end of 2020, tumahan ulit. Ang ganda ng takbo. Pagdating ng 2021, hindi bumagsak ulit. Pero this time, mas mabigat, mas masakit. Kasi mas nagpagod ka na, mas naghihirap ka na eh. So, to make the long story short again, end of 2022, sabi ko, galingan natin, sipagan natin, so umangat ulit. Pagkakat, ganda nangyari, hanggang end of 2022. Pagkatapos na ng 2022, 2023, bumagsak ulit. Pero this time, mas masakit. And every time nagpapagod kami, every time naghihirap kami, kapag bumagsak siya, laging doble o triple yung hirap at saka yung sakit na mararamdaman mo. Most especially kapag nag-commit ka na doon sa ginagawa mo. Most especially pag binigay mo na yung buhay mo, yung puso mo, lahat ng oras mo, doon sa isang bagay na lagi mong ginagawa. And I do believe, marami sa atin yung ganyan. Marami sa atin, yung kapag napagod tayo, hirapan tayo, lalaban tayo ulit. And that's a good trait. As human beings, talagang tayo. As human beings, gusto natin lagi tayo may solusyon. Hinahanapan natin ang paraan. So to make the long story short, 2023, umangat ulit. Sa vlog siya, pag nanonood kayo, nakangiti, tawanan, pero behind the camera, ang hirap. Hindi siya madali. Akala lang makaramihan ng pagiging vlogger po, madali. Gagawa lang ng video, upload. And then yun na yun. Pero to be honest, ang hirap po mag-vlog every day. It's a challenge. Kaya kung ano po yung nakikita in front of camera, kabaliktaran mo yung sa likod. And yun po yung mga kinikwento ko ngayon. Ngayon, 2023, pagbagsak, sabi ko, hindi, kaya natin to. Doblehin pa natin yung hirap natin. Mas sumulit na tayo sa maraming tao, mas maghanap tayo ng mas maraming talent, mas gumawa tayo ng paraan, solusyon. Kung dati nag-meeting tayo ng 2 oras, gawin natin 3 oras para marami tayong ideas sa mapag-usapan. Kasi nga gusto ko ilaban, ayaw ko isuko. Tuwing kumapagsak tayo, gusto natin, gagawa natin ng paraan. Eh marami po sa ating ganyan. To make the long story short, 2023, umangat ulit. Grabe yung bulusok. Mas mataas kaysa dun sa dati. Pero pagtapos ng 2024, ika-4 na taon, ika-5 taon, bumagsak ko ulit. Pero this time, pagpagsak ng 2024, sabi ko, wala na to. Wala nang pag-asa to. Ginawa ko na lahat for 5 years. I did everything that I can, but nothing happened. May times na maangat, pero pag bumagsak, mas malala. May times na ganda, pero pag bumagsak, mas masakit. May times na akala mo okay na, pero biglang mawawala. 2024, sabi ko, Lord, this time, ayoko na. I'm done. I'm going to quit. Ayoko na mag-basketball, ayoko na mag-vlog. So kung may mga nanonood ko last year, yung tipo namin, dumadayo yan, pero ako hindi ako visible. Hindi ako sumasama sa kanila. Kasi nga ayoko na. Sabi ko sa kanila, dayo kayo kung gusto nyo, pero ako hindi ako kasama. Kung gusto niyo maglaro, okay lang. Pero kung ayaw niyo na, gusto niyo lang tumigil, okay lang din. Kasi po ako, decidido na ako na ayoko na talaga. Dumating na ako sa point na sabi ko, lahat ng diskarte ko ubus na, lakas sa loob ko ubus na, yung tapang ko ubus na, wala na lahat. And after 6 months, last year, November or October, sabi ko, Lord, ikaw na bahala sa buhay ko. Kung gusto mo tanggalin yung vlog, yung basketball, dali mo ko sa ibang bansa, it's up to you. I will follow what you want. Gagawin ko yung gusto mo, hindi ako makikialam. And the reason why I'm telling you this is because this is the moment na sumuko ako. This is the moment na inamin ko sa sarili ko, hindi ko kaya. This is the moment na inamin ko sa sarili ko na lahat ng kaya kong gawin, akala ko lang maganda, pero in the end, walang mangyayari. And ito, sinasabi ko po sa inyo, is total pagbabago ng buhay ko last year when I gave my life to God. Sabi ko, Lord, my life is yours. I'm yours. And then after giving my life to Him, after a few months, binalik ko yung vlog. Hindi ko naman yung pinag-pray na sabi ko, Lord, balik mo sa akin yung vlog, balik mo sa akin yung basketball, papatunayan ko sa'yo na gagawin ko ito para sa'yo. I did not say that. Sabi ko lang, Lord, ikaw na bahala. And after a few months, binalik niyo yung vlog, binalik niyo yung basketball. Kahit ako nagtataka, sabi ko, ano nangyayari? Wala na ako yun eh. Wala na nakakaalala sa akin. Wala nang may alam. Hindi nga nila alam. Wala nang Mavs eh. Yun na yung storya ng Mavs natin. Nung binalik ni Lord, from slowly, 5 years na bumabagsak siya, unti-unti. When I gave my life to God, last year, October, it became, I didn't know what happened. Sabi ko, Lord, anong ginawa mo? But I'm gonna obey kahit anong gusto mong gawin. Lahat ang papagawa ko sa akin, papuntahin mo ako kahit saan, I will shout your name. And kaya ako po sinishare sa inyo ito is because I encourage you tonight na sumuko na kayo. The moment that you really surrender to God is the only beginning of the real life na hindi nakikita, hindi mo na-experience, hindi mo natatamasa. May bata dito, may matanda dito, whoever we are. Bata, matanda, babae, lalaki, mayaman, mahirap, it doesn't matter. Without God, everything is useless. And now, every time we go to different places, we make sure that the people na pupunta namin will get to know God. But it's your choice. And gusto ko pa lang sabihin sa inyo, napagsak na kami, wala na, burado na. Pero kaya kami nakaangat, hindi dahil magaling kami, pero dahil magaling yung tatay ko. And I want to give more and glory to you. Pag binigay mo kay Lord, siya bahala. And tonight, I encourage everyone. Hindi ko po alam kung sino sa inyo nag-pray pero hindi sinasagot ni Lord. It's because He wants you to totally surrender everything. Bigay mo sa Kanya. He doesn't want you committed halfway. He doesn't want you to be committed 80% or 90% or even 99%. He wants everything that you have. Everything that you are given to Him. Bigay mo kay Lord. And you will see the power of God in your life. And today, I'm very proud to say that I am a child of God, praying for Him, and this is what my Father told me. Thank you, Jesus. Always.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen.
Jersey number 1. We're going to start number 16, number 15, number 9, number 12. Okay, players, good luck. Some ball between jersey number 12 and jersey number 20. Ball is up, good luck. First position goes to Mavs. Jersey number 1, foul, and 1. Basket down. Foul, jersey number 16. Ball is shot for jersey number 1. Yeah. Rebound play with jersey number 1. Sa mga Gents, yung kusang flash nyo ng cellphone. Barangco number 16. Pass to jersey number 9, Lin Sogo. Lin Sogo. First to pass to Cuervo. Shot clock time. Shot clock time. Barangco Star fires the way. Rebound Lin Sogo. Knocks basketball.
Kamu na dito. Apa lang ada mic? Yung mic, yung mic.
Number 16. Number 16. Barangco. Pass to Cuervo. Pass to Lin Sogo. To play. Jersey number 9. Number 1. Pass to number 16. Pass to number 24. Kick out. Red fires. 3 points. Cuervo to Barangco. Pass to Cuervo. Kick out. Barangco fires. 3 points. Number 1. Stolen by number 34. Out of bounds. Iloilo basketball. Number 26. Pass number 16. Back to number 26. Stand to shoot. Barangco fires the rig. The rebound. Number 19. Number 19 goes to Bose. Kick out number 20. Foul number 19. To Boyd. Lin Sogo number 9. Pass number 16. Pass number 12 to Jonas. Drop pass, Lin Sogo fade. Fade to Boyd. Lin Sogo is Boyd. Number 1. Pass number 20. Number 20. Moves up the rig. Rebound Jonas. Pass number 26. Pass number 16. All day to shoot. The rig. Rebound. Number 19. Goes to Bose. Kick out. Number 1. Fade to Boyd. Jersey number 1. Running score 10-7 Mavs. Grab number 26. Fires the rig. Offensive rebound, guys. Recovered by number 20. Out of bounds. Iloilo basketball. Lin Sogo number 15. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 20.
Jersey number 20, first foul.
Out of bounds. Robs basketball. Number 1, pass to number 20. Pass to number 19. Drop pass number 24. Kick out number 20. And to shoot. Kick out number 16 to number 1. 5 to shoot. Time for the whistle. Jump ball. Position now goes to Iloilo City. Barangco number 16 lays up 2 points. Number 20 all day to shoot. The win. Rebound Jonas. Foul jersey number 34.
First foul, jersey number 34.
Number 16, Barangco. Pass number 26. Kick out number 16 to number 12. Number 8, side step, drop pass. Kick out number 12, Jonas. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 34.
Jersey number 34, second personal foul.
2 shots for jersey number 12. For jersey number 12. Running score 11-10. Iloilo in the south. Number 1. Pass number 16. Tackle number 1.
Can to shoot.
Number 34 over the pick. Fires the win. Out of bounds.
Palihog ko na isang buong nakuha na talihog. Thank you.
Charge timeout. Mavs.
Go back to the ball game.
Why pa ito lumapan?
Barangco number 16. Pass number 15 in Soho. Tapay to points. In Soho. Running score 13-10 Iloilo City. 6 minutes 20 seconds. Number 20. The pass. There's a whistle. Foul jersey number 12, Juarez. 2 shots for jersey number 34. Basket jumper ready, last throw rebound for jersey number 34. Two for two. Sa magagalang tao, lihog ko, hindi nito malabawagan. Subukan, hindi na mag-extend. Palihog lang, pag hindi matabakan. Pero si Cash dapat naka-player lang. Number 26. Pass number 12, Jonas. Kick out number 9, Linshua.
Can to shoot.
Number 26, Guerrero fires the big. That's a rebound number 9. 2 points. Linshua number 9. Number 1. There's number 1. On the play for Team Mavs. Kick out. There's number 19. Drive off the glass to drive. For choice number 19. Reto to Barangco. Stop fires. The game. Minnesota. 2 points. Number 1. Pass to jersey number 20. Pass number number 1.
10 to shoot.
Number 16, Michelle Navid. Rebound number 26. Number 26. Kick out number 16. Kick out number 9. Number 15.
10 to shoot.
Linsoro. David. Rebound number 24. Number 1 to number 20. Stone to number 9. Pass number 16. Baraka 2 points. Number 1 to number 19. Number 19. Last one, Pedro. There is a whistle. Foul jersey number 26.
Substitute.
Substitute. Number 1 to number 20. Fouls. We're good. Rebound number 15. Pass number 7. Number 16.
10 to shoot.
Barranco. Stop. Fires. 2 points. Number 1. Coast to coast. Kick out number 34. Back on number 1. Stop. Fires. David. Rebound number 20.
10 to shoot.
Kick out number 19. Nagkapipa sa ere. Number 9. Palihog ko sa flash ng cellphone. Palihog, pagka lang. Number 16. Stop. Fires. David. Palihog ko flash ng cellphone nyo. Number 1. Pass number 19. Pass number 20 to number 34.
10 to shoot.
Number 19. Against number 12, side step, 2 points. Number 9. Kick out number 7. Number 15. There's a result of offensive foul, jersey number 15. Subdivision. Subdivision. Jersey number 13 in, jersey number 1 out. 4 balls. Coach Allen. Coach Allen going to play for Team Rams. Pass to number 34. Coach Allen stop fires. Number 16. Kick out number 35. Number 16. Set out for the pick.
Ten to shoot.
Fires the day.
5 to shoot.
2 points. Jersey number 27. Number 13. Coach Allen. Pass number 19. Let drive. Takes the win. Rebound is up.
10 to shoot.
Foul and 1. Basket count. Foul jersey number 05. Subdivision. Last one rebound. Basket. 1 minute. Wala. Play sa whistle. Foul jersey number 29.
Penalty.
Penalty.
Dapat ko lang, paano dito kita? No red, baby, ha?
Number 27 to number 21 to number 7. Pass number 27 to number 21.
10 to shoot. 5 to shoot.
Running in violation.
31 seconds remaining time.
Paligad ka mga palihog.
1, 2, 3. Salamat, Primo!